The body of a man who was drowned in the Barak River in Jiribam district on 7th of this month was found last evening near Majumdar Bazaar of Assam. According to the media reports, El Jerry was drowned in the Barak River on October 7th while swimming, following which search and rescue operations were conducted to find him. A combined team of 26 Assam Rifles and Kakching District Commando arrested a woman drug peddler along with 14,562 pieces of WY tablets from Aimol Road, Palel. According to police, the woman has been identified as Muisim Maring, age 33 of Kambang Kulen, Tecnopal. A combined team of Tecnopal police team and troops of 12 Assam Rifles arrested one person with 30,000 pieces of suspected WY tablets from Tecnopal, Sita Lamkhai. According to police, the man has been identified as Mr. Tongminlel Mate, son of T. Gamnom, village Laysan, Tecnopal district. Bangladesh has agreed to let India withdraw 1.82 cusecs of water from Feni River. This has come as a major respite for the people of Sabram border town in South Tripura. According to sources, the negotiations, which were dragging on since the early 90s, finally came to fruition as Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina signed a memorandum of understanding with India to allow the release of potable water during her recent visit. A total of 22 foreign nationals were arrested in Meghalaya in the last 1 month, and out of them, 19 were arrested in East Jainsa Hills district, which shares the international border with Bangladesh. As per reports, the number of increased following the arrest of 5 Nigerian nationals, 2 in East Jainsa Hills and 3 in West Jainsa Hills district.